What is going on, guys? It's Kai here and welcome to another video. And today's video is a day in the life of a UK sneaker reseller. We've got 3 pairs of shoes to ship off today. We have the Jubilee's 25th anniversary. We are also shipping off a pair of grey camo mids, very clean. And lastly, another pair of Jordan 1 mid bands. I think that's what they're called. Very clean shoe as well, another mid. Selling, I'm telling you, mids are the new wave at the moment. Mids and lows are becoming a lot more trendy. And yeah, in this video we're going to be talking about how to ship off your shoes, how I kind of do it in my way, the most fast and efficient way, what raffles am I looking forward to, and so on. It'll be a very entertaining video. Hope you guys do enjoy it, and I'll see you guys in the next clip. So guys, the first job we have to do is pack up the shoes and post them. So obviously I'm going to do a little time lapse now of me just how I package the shoes. Also, we did take 2 L's this morning. We couldn't get the ceramic dunks, and we also couldn't hit anything on the Supreme drop. So not a good day to start off with. However, let's get these boxed up and let's get going. We've got 3 shoes to pack. Do a nice little time lapse. We are at the drop-off point for our shoes, and it started raining, and I'm in t-shirt and joggers. Not good. But let's go get these shoes shipped off. We've got a couple more things to do when we get home, and then also we got work later. Unfortunately, I do not make enough money. Unfortunately, I do not make enough money where I don't have to work. I still do have to work. That's why I get the shoes. That's why I get the money for to buy the shoes. But yeah, let's go get the shoes dropped off and let's work it out from there.
It is pouring it down.
Shoes are dropped off. I just sprinted to the store to drop them off because it's absolutely pouring it down right now. Don't know if you can tell, I am soaking. Excuse the trim. It is getting sorted out 2nd December when everything's back open. Get back home, do a couple more things, and then I got work at 3. So it's now 12:30, so I've got a couple hours yet. Some more shoe things, pictures, raffles, and so on. And yeah, see you guys when we are back home. Just got back home, guys, all dried off, thank God. We've got a couple more things to do. We've got to enter this week's raffles. Not really much else to be said, really, in this day in the life. All we had to do was ship some shoes off and then some raffles. Do you prefer the mids or the lows to this shoe? Because I think I'm actually going to go with the lows on this one, just because I think they look more wearable. But yeah, guys, I think that is actually going to wrap up today's video. If you want to see a week in the life of a sneaker reseller, that'll be a lot more packed. It'll be about a 15-minute video of all the things I do in a week of a sneaker reseller. This has just been kind of shipping shoes today. But if you want to see a full week, drop a like and leave it in the comments. Let me know if you want to see this, and I'll get this done. It will take a while to make. I'll edit it really nice, and it should be a good video to watch for you guys. But apart from that, that is the end of the video, guys. Hope you guys did enjoy. Next video will probably be a how to cop guide for the next couple of releases. And yeah, peace out, guys. Remember to follow my Instagram in the link in the description. And like and comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys in the next one. See you in a bit.